to everyone. We are students of Parvati English High School. We are studying in 5th standard. We are going to see few general knowledge concepts.
Myself Harika.
Myself Gaganeshri S.
Myself Sanjana S.
Myself Leena Kausar.
Myself Hema Malini.
Myself Hapsa.
Myself Bhargaji.
Myself Durga Prasad.
Myself Haritej. Myself Darshan Aradhya V.
Myself Sandeep.
Parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection.
Meaning of Google: a number equals to 10 to the power 100. Parts of computer: central processing unit, CPU, motherboard, RAM, access, memory, RAM, video, graphical, hard drive, intercooling fan.
Scientific names of animal: Homo sapiens, lion, panthera, leo, housefly, musca, domestica, crow, carvus, splendid, cat, Felis domestica, dog, canis familias, monkey, simiform, rabbit, ricto, logos, unicolor, tiger, panthera, tigris, buffalo, bubalis, bubais.
Tenses: simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense, present perfect tense, past perfect tense, future perfect tense, present continuous tense, past continuous tense, future continuous tense, present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, future perfect continuous tense.
Scientific names of plants: Mangifera indica, mango, solanum, melangina, brinza, daucus, casota, carrot, musa, paradisicum, banana, cucumis sativa, cucumber, solanum tuberosum, potato, raphanus sativa, radish, rhiza sativa, rice, lycopersicon, esculatum, tomato, rosa, rose, cocos, nucifera, coconut, azadi racta, indica, neem, citrus, sonatina, moret, punica granatum, pomegranate, carica, papaya.
Figures of speech: simile, metaphor, personification, hyperbole, anecdotes, imagery, irony, paradox, alliteration, consonants, assonance, parody, referent, remixing.
Classical dance of India: Bharatanatyam, Tamil Nadu, Odissi, Orissa, Kathakali, Kerala, Mohiniyattam, Kerala, Kathak, North India, Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh, Manipuri, Manipur.
Levels of classification: species, genus, family, order, class, pile, and kingdom.
Types of animal tissues: epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscle tissue. Types of simple tissue: parenchyma, colon, chymus, carolenchyma. Types of complex tissue: xylem, phloem. Types of sentences: assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence.
Kingdoms of Limonera, Purusha, Funga, Platy, Animalia.
Thank you.